Hello everyone, this is Zukhraf from Infosharing360.com. Okay, so at times we need to add filler text into our Microsoft Word document. Now, one way is to add text from any random website. However, there is another way which is much more quick as we do not need to go to any other application or website to copy text. All we need to do is to use a command. This easy to use command will quickly populate random English text into a document. So that command starts from is equal to sign, then type in RAND, short form of random, brackets open, and then bracket close. See, this command has automatically generated 5 paragraphs, each of 3 sentences. So this is how this command works. Now, if we need to generate any other random command as per our requirements, so what we can do is that we can specify the paragraph count and the sentences count. So let's suppose I want to generate 100 paragraphs and the number of sentences in each paragraph needs to be 10. For that, I can type in RAND for random, and then I need 100 paragraphs, so I'll type 100 over here, and then each paragraph should consist 10 sentences. See, this command has generated 100 paragraphs and each paragraph consists of 10 sentences, and this has even generated 22 pages. So that's how this function works. Thank you for watching this video.